Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Zach with Deeply Driven Outdoors. I am in one of my favorite places. Oh, I'm comfortable saying this is one of my favorite places in the world. Northeast Iowa. So doing a little bit of trout fishing, and we've had a lot of rain up here lately. Streams are murky. Some of them are chocolate milk, but some of them are just murky. So I'm gonna try and get a few fish, and we got some more rain coming tomorrow. Got a 4-day trip. Got today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. Today's Thursday, so got a 4-day trip to try and catch some fish up here. Dealing with, like I said, dealing with some murky water conditions, but we'll see if we can get some fish. That'll still be fun anyway. Camping with some friends and some family. We can do some, some sightseeing, our normal Northeast Iowa stuff. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some fish. Ooh, a rainbow, nice. Ooh, did I foul hook him? I did foul hook him. He's stuck in the side of the head. Go figure. There's definitely fish in there. So I just foul hooked one, but definitely was able to see some fish in there. These shades I've got on they're goofy, but I bought them last year in Montana before going fly fishing for the first time. And they're polarized, so it's like the best ones that the grocery store in Montana had at the time. So they do help see the fish, though, I will say. Oh, there we go. Good. Nice. That's a rainbow. Heck yeah. Perfect. Beautiful. Very nice fish. Oh, it is pretty. Look at that. That's a beautiful brown trout. So I had seen that brown in there. He struck at my other lure color. And I threw that out there a couple more times and no more strikes. I switched lure colors to the gray and white, which I like quite a bit. Sorry, I got like gnats all up on my face here. I think I got smashed gnats on my face now. Awesome. Oh well, they're just gonna be there. But then I switched to the gray and white, which I know is a good color. Had a lot of luck with before. Put it right where I wanted it, and he came out and hit it. He's probably a 13-inch brown, something like that. So nice fish, pretty colors on him. Nice, beautiful. It's pretty. Golly, I like these fish. Maybe a little nicer than the last. About the same. Perhaps a little nicer than the last. Yeah, there we go. Heck, here's the brown trout. Beautiful. Beautiful. I found some brownies in this grass for sure. If that wasn't in the context of fishing, what I just said, that'd be really weird. Well, I made it to the end of that little stretch. Caught 2 rainbows and 3 browns, so not too bad, especially considering, I know this stream gets a little bit of pressure, and the water's murky, so didn't know exactly what to expect, but that's not too bad. I'll take that. I'm probably gonna head back to camp here and touch base with everybody else, then kind of make another fishing plan for a little later. So myself and my father-in-law Tim are out right now at one of our favorite creeks. It's a good staple, so He's just upstream from me right now. I'm going downstream a little bit further. So we are playing for keeps tonight. My mother-in-law's got a good trout chowder recipe she wants to try out, so we're gonna see if we can get some trout for that. Oh, nice, got him. All right, very good. He's an eater. All right, well, that's the first fish of the evening. That's an eating keeper size. It's a Iowa Stockseas rainbow trout in a lot of these streams up here. So that's a stocked rainbow trout. I like eating them. I mean, some people complain about eating stock or rainbow trouts, but I think that they're really good. So that's one. Limit's 5. Tim's up there too, so hopefully we can both limit and get some good trout to eat. Tighten that drag a little bit. Another rainbow. Heck yeah. Beautiful. It's a feisty one. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, come on. In the net. Yes. All right. Fish number 3. Nice, beautiful. This is a little bit better one, I think, maybe. He'll eat, for sure. Four on the stringer out of 1 hole is not bad. Again, the limit's 5, so I might wait on that last one just a little bit, because this is the first hole I stopped at. I mean, I didn't want to get skunked, wanted to make sure we had plenty of fish, that everybody at camp could eat some fish and everything. But I can wait on that last one. I'll keep catching and releasing here for a while. There's a little opening right here between the grass and the wood. And I want to try to throw right in there. See if there's a fish in there. I bet you I'll catch one out of there. Yep, there it is. That's a brownie too, I think. Nope, it's a rainbow. Very nice. Beautiful. Got him. All right, cool. Fish number 5, I'm gonna let him go because I want to kind of keep fishing. Plus he's tangled the hell out of my net. Out you go, fishy. I bet you there's more in there though. I'm gonna try that again. That was a good one. God, these bugs are bad. These gnats didn't give a crap about that bug spray I put on. Fish on. Beautiful. Another rainbow. Oh, this cloth net sucks. It was like the 6th fish of the evening. I let the last 2 go, got 4 on the stringer. So, I mean, I've only been here half an hour or something. So they're biting really good. And this is the first hole I've hit, so don't want all the fun to be over real fast. The gnats are there eating me alive. It's crazy. That's number 5. Limit. That's a brownie, I think. It is a brownie. Heck yeah. Beautiful. God, I love this fish. Very nice. That's a really nice looking brown. Off he goes. Yeah, right there. What are they liking this color today? A little bit smaller one. But hey, fish is fish. I'll take him. Well, the bugs are killing me. The rain's moving in and I got my limit, so I'm gonna go back up to the van. I'm gonna put these in the bucket. And on my way up, I'm gonna see how Tim's doing. Hopefully he's got his limit too. So we'll see. There's coyotes like right over there firing off. Broad daylight. That's crazy. You better stay away. Need a hand? Yeah, there's definitely some fish in there. They're striking at it. There it is. Nice. Right there. Yeah. There you go. Oh, he's excited, isn't he? Quit flipping. Let me get your hook out. I'm just gonna put you back in the water. There you go, fish.
Yes, you are.
I think it has a lot to do with cadence, really, with how you like reeling it in. You hold still, fish. All right, well, my father-in-law is still down there trying to round out his limit. He was at 3 when I left. I caught a few, just catch and release, you know, while I was hanging out with him, and letting him kind of just finish out his limit. So I got 5, he's got 3. We're gonna go back to camp, and then we're gonna make some kind of a tasty trout dish, I'm sure, here. I don't know if we're gonna do it tonight or maybe tomorrow, but at some point throughout this camping trip, we're gonna make a tasty trout dish, so that'll be good.